Hey friends, do you know how many senses you have? 5, that's right. Let's name them. Sight, smell,
Hearing,
taste,
and touch. Good job.
But we're going to let you in on a little secret. There are actually, drumroll please, 8 senses. But don't worry, we're only going to talk about one more. So which one?
It's interoception. Wow, long word, right? Repeat after me. Interoception. Interoception. But wait, what does that mean?
Interoception is the sense that tells us everything we feel inside our bodies. For example, it may come in the form of hunger, pain, or even anger.
Think about yourself for a minute. Have you ever experienced these feelings before? A dry mouth, a growling stomach, or your heart beating as fast as a race car? It may feel like it's beating out of your chest, much like our friend Jerry here. So what can we do when this happens? Well, today we're going to teach you.
If our mouth feels dry, that's our body's way of telling us that we're thirsty. So we can drink some water. If our stomach growls, that's our body's way of telling us that we're hungry. So we can eat a snack or tell an adult that we're hungry.
So, how does it work? Can you point on yourself where your stomach is? Ding, 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 you got it!
When your stomach is empty, it growls and says it wants food. There are special receptors in your stomach that know this. Those receptors in your stomach send signals to your brain through nerves. Think about the nerves as the road and the car as the signal that drives on the road and brings information from your stomach to your brain. Those signals end up in the part of your brain called the prefrontal cortex. It helps you make decisions about what you want to eat, when you want to eat, or what snack you'd like to choose.
Here's another example. Do you know where your heart and lungs are? That's right, they're in your chest. When you're playing tag outside, your heart starts to beat really fast and you feel out of breath. The special receptors in your heart and lungs know this. Those receptors send signals to your brain on nerves just like the ones in your stomach. Again, think of the nerves as roads and signals as cars going to the brain. These signals go to the brainstem, which is super important for how we stay alive. Things like our heartbeat, breathing, swallowing, and being awake are controlled here. Eventually, these signals go up to the prefrontal cortex, which we just talked about, to decide to take a deep breath and rest.
Okay, last one. Have you ever felt like your stomach is full of butterflies? What could this feeling be? Well, maybe this could mean that you're nervous or worried about something. You may also feel shaky, and just like when you're tired, your heart can beat very fast as well. The special receptors in all these places know that you are feeling something. Those receptors send signals to your brain the same way your stomach, heart, and lungs do. These signals end up in the amygdala because the amygdala deals with fear and worry. Again, signals would go to the prefrontal cortex to help you decide what to do.
There are so many other parts of the brain that do lots of different things. They're important for interoceptive skills and all that we do and feel. But that would take all day, so we don't have to talk about those right now.
So why are we talking about interoception? Why is it important?
It's good to know if our body is telling us something, because sometimes there could be something very wrong, like a broken bone.
And if we don't listen, our bodies could be hurting without even knowing. It's important that we are aware of what's going on so we can take the necessary steps to help ourselves. If we don't let a broken bone heal correctly, it may make it harder to use in the future, for things you may enjoy, like playing an instrument or a sport, for instance.
If you feel like something is wrong, you should tell someone, like a teacher or a parent. They may be able to help figure out what it is you're feeling and how you can fix it.
Thanks for watching!
And remember, the next time you feel something inside, listen to it.